Yes, I. Aunties upon the building. Coming night to send in lion. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh.
We come to tell you once again. Yo, man. Watch it.
What she came is a unique magic potion. Yeah. Literally wanted to taste. No, I'll be lost in a piece of emotion. Cause after time, your system be crumbling down. Why do you feel so nice? Taking over my eyes, taking over me conscience lately. Yeah. Your body's out of control. We look for something to hold. I need you closer to me, baby. Come on, feel me, come rock me, rock me, lady, slowly. For you know what I'm talking about, yeah. Come rock me, lady, slowly. You know what I'm talking about, yeah.
Fully aware that you blow my mind away. You better lay low. You know me can't get in trouble cause me only got one chance tonight. So call me say so. Every time I take a sip on your love, me can't see. Right before the night getting started, me can't breathe. You take away me worries, why me feel irate, but enough people. Alright then, remind myself that it's a blessing of today. Oh Lord, and it's your loving that I need, and I'm gonna get it my way. Yeah. Alright,
Come rock me, lady, slowly. Yes, you know what I'm talking about. Come rock me, lady, slowly. Yes, you know what I'm talking about. Oh Lord, come rock it, we go rock tonight. Come on, rock it, we gon' rock it tonight. Oh, shot, got me trippin'. Feel the vibration, yes. She come fi take up on me life. She come fi take up on me mind, yeah. She come fi take up on me body. She come fi take up on me time. She come fi rock.